today I'm here in the Sugwa Cave, and I have an inspection here with my engineer, guys. So, ang mga ginawa po nila, papakita ko po sa inyo, is the same like this. Yan, pinalitan nila yung mga ilaw. And also, they clean all the streets. See? And this area. Ayan guys, so i-check namin yung mga batayan sa engineer. Alin ang ginawa nyo? Tay? Alin dyan? Alin? Alin nga? Itong cubes? Ito? Ala, ba't naging rainbow yan? Ayan guys, ini-inspection po namin. Ayan, yung mga bato-bato na yan, nakakapisip. Guys, tapos nagtutuklapan. Ayan o, kung makikita nyo, tutuklap to. Hindi papasa to sa inspection guys. Yan guys, ang ating inspection dito ngayon. In proceed the other side guys. May mga group dyan, mga polar nyan, yung mga hindi na yung building, and also here. May mga pinalitan nilang mga ilaw. Ayan, doon sa engineer, and also Yan, iikot ko po kayo dito sa Souq Waqif. At ibibigay ko lang ang itong mobile kay boss. Ayan, so nag-uusap-usap sila. Kung makikita nyo from there, going there, and going there, and here. Ito ang very simple projects ng cleaning at yung pagpalit ng mga upuan. As in, grabe ang mga, ayan. Also, there the other side, guys. And at the other side, kita niyo yung mga yan. Yan ang ginawa. Yan yung mga engineer ko. So mamaya papapasukin ko po kayo dyan. So this is my work. First day of work and last day of work. I will visit, guys. Ayan. So may hinahanap akong parang fountain na gagawin. Ayan yung mga color na yan. Kita niyo yan, guys. Ayan. Kit ng ibon, no? Kita niyo yan. Ayan ang mga engineer ko, guys. So ito yung ano, guys, this one is the same like in the Philippines, like they call Baclaran or Divisoria of this place, no? Yung inside niyan at the back is one of the, what do you call this, market siya, parang palengke siya like Divisoria or Baclaran, guys. So may palaruan din dito. This is a mini plaza, mini park. So ito is kinlin po nila, tinrabaho po nila at inayos. Ayan, guys. So this is the Novo Hotel and also the market, no? Ayan. So ipapasok ko po kayo dyan, guys. Ipapasyal ko po kayo. So that's the progress of report. Ang daming mga konting rejection kasi hindi siya gaanong natutukan. So pininturahan, tama ba namang ipintura ang glossy doon? Nilagyan ng glossy, pag umulan, nabtura laangat yun. So kahit na hindi po ako engineer, I know the business in the construction. I observe, no, yung mga materialis, no. Okay ang pag-cleaning, accepted the cleaning, no. But the painting hindi gaanong okay. So grabe. Nag-support kami ng mga materialis and then yan ang nakita namin dito sa area to. Ayan, guys. So, thank you for your watching, guys. Ayan, nag-site visit at inspection ng Lola Mo with my team, Sir Robert, and my boss, Mr. here. And thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Like and share and comment down below. And please subscribe my YouTube channel, my daily life here in Doha. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless and I love you all. Bye. Thank you for your support.